So people often hear about federal court and state court, but they usually don't know the difference. Well, both of them handle civil and criminal cases, but they deal with different laws and different types of cases. For example, in state court, everyday criminal case would be like a DUI case, an assault case, theft case, drug possession, most homicides. Civil cases in state court would be divorce, personal injury, landlord-tenant disputes. Example of federal cases would be federal drug trafficking, bank robbery, mail fraud, wire fraud, immigration offenses, crimes on federal property, or large interstate crimes, meaning a crime that crosses state lines. Um, so they deal with different types of laws. Obviously, state court deals with state laws or local laws. Federal courts deal with federal laws or issues that have to do with the U.S. Constitution or federal statutes. Um, in state court, the prosecutors are usually the district attorneys or city attorneys, depending on the type of crime or the type of case. And in federal courts, the prosecution is the U.S. Attorney's Office. And you have different procedures, different sentencing. Federal court uh, has a guideline sentencing. It's a point system. And state court, their state sentencing is different. It's statutory, but judges usually can sentence you outside of the guidelines if they want. Um, Meaning there's no point system like the federal system. State uh, courts handle everyday crimes. Remember, everyday cases. Federal courts handle crimes involving federal law. There are two types of cases. Federal cases are usually more intense. There are a lot more investigation involved. Usually, the FBI, the DEA, ATF, Homeland Security is involved, and you as a result, you could face longer and heavier penalties. So remember, state court, federal court, different laws, different types of cases. If you have a state case or a federal case and you need an attorney, you better call Hash.